The news headline: Sowore and others brought to court in handcuffs like criminals. Publisher of SaharaReporters Omoyele Sowore was brought to court in a black Maria with handcuffs on their hands to the Chief Magistrate Court sitting in Wuse Zone, Abuja in handcuffs on Tuesday, January 5th for a hearing on his bail application. A situation which led to an altercation between the prison officials and their lawyer, Marshal Abubakar. On Monday, January 4th, Omoyele was arraigned alongside 4 others on a 3-count charge bordering on conspiracy, unlawful assembly and incitement. The magistrate, Mabel Segun-Bello, had ordered the remand of the defendants at the Kuje correctional center. Sowore and his co-defendants were brought to court at about 10:28 a.m. with a handcuff on his hands. Thank you for listening and don't forget to subscribe.